In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SurveyMonkey, a powerful tool for creating and managing surveys. Whether you're a beginner trying to get a handle on its features or someone looking to polish your survey creation skills, I'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit surveymonkey.com. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign up for a free account if you haven't already done so, or simply log in using your credentials if you're an existing user. Getting access is quick and straightforward, ensuring you're ready to explore the platform in no time. Once logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard and click on Create Survey. This is where the fun begins. Here, you'll encounter several options. You can start from scratch if you have a unique idea, use a template for some structure, copy an existing survey if you're looking for consistency, or even build with AI for an innovative approach. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now it's time to name your survey. After that, click Create Survey and your project is officially underway. You'll find yourself in the Design Survey tab, which is the heart of your survey creation process. This is where you'll construct the survey and add all of its content. To add questions to your survey, click on Plus New Question. SurveyMonkey offers a variety of question types including multiple choice, drop-down, comment box, rating scale, and image choice. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor your survey exactly to your audience's needs. Once you've chosen the type of question, go ahead and type in your question along with the answer choices. Now that you've started adding questions, take advantage of the drag and drop feature to rearrange them as needed. This makes it easy to structure your survey logically or thematically. As you continue refining your survey, the Options tab will be crucial for enabling or disabling required questions, which is especially useful if certain questions must be answered to proceed. Once your survey design feels complete, transform it visually by clicking on Themes. Here you can adjust the colors and fonts to match your branding, or simply to make the survey more visually appealing. With the design set, use the preview option to test how your survey appears, and make any final tweaks to ensure it meets your expectations. Now it's time to collect responses. Head over to the Collect Responses tab and choose from various distribution methods such as web link, email, social media, or website embed. Select the method that best reaches your target audience efficiently. Once your survey is out there and responses start coming in, navigate to the Analyze Results tab. SurveyMonkey makes it easy to view responses through summarized charts, individual views, and even filters for comparisons and trends, offering clear insights into the data collected. For those with a paid plan, exporting this data to formats like PDF, Excel, or CSV is just a click away. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of SurveyMonkey for beginners. With these tools at your disposal, you're ready to create insightful and effective surveys with ease. Happy surveying!